Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete Facebook account, and here's how it is done. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu icon, bottom right corner of the app. Select the gear icon at the top right to access settings. Under Account Center, tap See More in Account Center. Scroll down and choose Personal Details. Select Account Ownership and Control. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the profile you want to delete and select Delete Account. Tap Continue and review the information. If you are the sole admin of any Facebook pages or groups, transfer ownership to avoid losing them. Confirm the reason for deletion, optional, and tap Continue. Scroll to the bottom, tap Permanently Delete Account, and enter your password. Tap Continue to finalize the process. Your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. If you change your mind, Facebook gives you 30 days to cancel the request. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete Facebook account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.